Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Connie with the Painted Photographer. Welcome to my 12 days of thrifted Christmas. Each day I'm taking thrifted, forgotten items and giving them new life with a little creativity, a touch of old-fashioned charm, and of course, some holiday magic. If you love DIY, thrift shopping, and turning simple finds into beautiful Christmas items, you're in the right place. So let's jump in and create something together. I'll see you at the end. For today's project, we're going to use this old wooden bowl that I had in my stash from the thrift store. It was a beautiful bowl, but I do like the look of the painted chippy look. So this Sweet Pickins milk paint I had mixed up from another project. It was leftover. It's a little on the thicker side, which I really like because I can go in with one coat of the milk paint and paint that bowl, and it has really good coverage, and you're going to get some nice chipping when you go in with a little bit thicker milk paint. You can see there are some lumps from the mixture of the paint that isn't quite mixed up. Those will sand right off. And so after it was completely painted and dried, this is only one coat, the paint did chip off kind of naturally in some areas, not as much as I wanted. So I went in with my finger sander. You can find this sander on Amazon, and I will put the link, the affiliate link below. So the sander just helps to some of that chipping start to happen and start to come off and get that really gorgeous wood look coming through. I didn't have enough of my basil for another project, so I came in with pantry door and I mixed pantry door in with the basil, and I had mixed some more water with it, and so it was a little bit on the thinner side, and I mixed the pantry door, getting a lighter green, and it just wasn't lightening up as much as I had wanted it to. So I came in with antique ironstone and added that to lighten this up, and then mixed it and let it sit for 10 minutes. I must have missed filming my first coat onto this corbel. This corbel was white, and I added one coat of that Sweet Pickins mixture, and now I'm going in with the second coat. This paint had sat overnight, and so it's a little clumpy, for lack of better words. And it had a few clumps that would get into the paint. I tried to get rid of as many as I could and smooth in the other ones. It still all worked, but again, milk paint you have to use up in that one time, or you can put it in the refrigerator for a few days, but don't count on it being perfect. So after that had all dried, I came in with my finger sander and sanded down the edges. This corbel was white on the beneath side, so I am getting the white to come through and not much of the wood grain from underneath the white. The white was very high poly, and it's very strong and it comes right through. But it's okay. I really like that look. I do like Sweet Pickins milk paint with the dark oil wax. It just makes it so much richer and it gives it so much vintage color to it. It adds so much. So if you don't have this Sweet Pickins oil wax, you can find it on my website at thepaintedphotographer.com and I'll ship it right to your front door. But this oil wax goes on with a brush. It stays on for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how deep you want that color. And then you're going to wipe it off with a clean, dry rag. And you're going to see the beautiful finish that comes from after that oil wax. I'm in love with this product. I can't tell you enough how beautiful the finish is on both of these pieces using that dark oil wax.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy. Right here by the Christmas tree is where I hold my breath. But he won't know what hit him. See me standing there. The world will disappear and he will man up. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start.
I hope you enjoyed these two projects. All of your Christmas decor does not have to be Christmas. These can move right into spring. And they're green for Christmas and green for spring. So if you enjoyed this, you can subscribe to my channel and I will be bringing you lots more days of Christmas. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this project, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from each and every one of you. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the 12 days of Thrifted Christmas. If you need any of the products I used here today, you can find them at thepaintedphotographer.com and I'll ship them right to your front door. And until next time, happy painting.